Hey girls, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications to see all of my future videos. Hey girls, in this video I'm going to do a very quick tutorial and show you how to remove the Vena jelly tips. I do have like 2 layers of gel polish on these nails, so yeah. These are the jelly tips that I have on. I did cut down the length just a little bit. I also applied them with this liquid builder gel. I will also link that video up in the corner. I'm going to be using the Vena portable e-file to remove the product and this ceramic bit from Amazon. The first step is to take some nail clippers and cut down the length of the nail. I would also suggest to look at the back of the nail to make sure that you're not cutting your natural nail with it. You're only cutting away the excess length of the nail. After all of the length is removed, I'm going to go ahead with my ceramic bit and the e-file, and I'm going to file off all of the gel polish from the nail. I do have a layer of blue gel polish on the top, so that is the color that you're seeing, but underneath the blue gel polish is a nail design that I did with white, red, and blue gel polish, so that is why you're seeing white and other colors underneath the blue gel polish. I'm just going to go ahead and remove all of the gel polish from the nail. After all of the gel polish is filed off, I did take my cuticle cutters and gently pop off that jelly tip. This is going to help speed up the process just a little bit. Now I'm filing over the liquid builder gel, and you want to make sure to get this layer as thin as you can possibly get it. Otherwise, it's not going to come off very easily since it is a liquid builder gel. If you don't know, builder gel is typically a file off system and gel polish is a soak off system. So because this is a builder gel, you do want to make sure that the layers are very thin. You can also switch out to a hand file if you're not comfortable filing this close to your natural nail with an e-file. If you start noticing any heat spikes, I would definitely recommend to switch out your drill bit or switch over to a hand file. So here are what the nails look like after they have all been filed off. Some of these nails I did chip off the builder gel, so that's why it looks like that. I'm going to take some cut up cotton rounds and these nail clips. These just clip onto your nail and you put the little cotton round on the inside. So I'm going to take some 100% acetone and I'm going to completely soak the cotton round. And I'm going to place that on my nail and clip that into place. As you can see, my thumb was a little bit too big, so that one's a little bit snug. So after all of the nail clips have been placed, I'm going to wait for about 15 minutes.
One eternity later.
After waiting, I'm going to remove the clip and the cotton round, and I'm going to take a cuticle pusher and gently scrape up some of that builder gel. I was expecting it not to budge at all since it is a builder gel. But I would definitely say if you're having any issues with this product not wanting to scrape off, do not force it, as this can ruin your natural nails. So if there's any spots that don't seem to come off very easily, I would definitely recommend to resaturate your cotton round with the acetone and put it back in the clip for another 10 to 15 minutes. I'm going to repeat the same process on all of the other nails. So I did notice that my ring finger and pinky nail did have some product that didn't want to come off, so I just went ahead and placed the acetone back on the nail and put the clips back on to reset them a little bit longer. I was honestly so surprised at how easily the product came off of my thumbnail. Very satisfying. So while I wait for the other two nails to finish soaking, I'm going to apply some cuticle oil to my other nails to rehydrate them before my next manicure. So after removing all of the product from my nails, I applied a gel top coat, and this is how my nails look. See you girls in the next video. Bye!